What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to my channel, back to my video reaction. Named Lisa React. Tonight I'm about to react into Hound Dog by Big Mama Thornton. I've never heard of this version. I never heard of Elvis Presley version, so I'm about to react both of them. I'm super excited, so let's get to it.
You ain't nothing but a hound. When Snoopy round the door. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. When Snoopy round the door. You can wag your tail, but I ain't gonna feed you no more. Oh, you white man, but I can see through that. Yeah, you know me, you white man, but I can see through that. And Daddy, I know you ain't no real cool cat. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. When Snoopy round the door. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. When Snoopy round the door. You can wag your tail, but I ain't gonna be like you no more. Oh, baby. Oh, make it feel so good. Oh, do the twist. Oh, get it. You made me feel so blue. You made me weep and moan. You made me feel so blue. You made me weep and moan. You ain't looking for a woman. Why you looking at phone? You ain't nothing but a hound dog. When Snoopy round my door. You ain't nothing but a hound dog. When Snoopy round my door. You can wag your tail, but I ain't gonna be you no more. And bow wow to you too.
Think safety. Think Granger.
The like button, I'm adding into it. I love this. I cannot wait for the Elvis Presley version of the Hound Dog. Please hit the like button, subscribe to my channel, comment down below you want me to react any more Big Mama Thornton songs, if there is any. This is Lisa Reacts. Sending so much love to everyone. Bye everybody. See you next reaction video.